Alright guys, on today's video we are going to show you how to modify your riding lawnmower. So my biggest issue is I got a good yard with lots of crap in it. I got sticks everywhere, and every time you get off the seat it shuts off. There is a seat safety switch right underneath the middle, and it senses the pressure, and as soon as you get off it turns the mower off. In this case I need to actually jump it because it's the first time this season I'm going to start it, but you cannot start it with jumper cables in there with the seat down, and you get off of it, it won't turn on. So this season I'm just going to totally bypass the switch and show you how you can leave it mowing or leave the mower on and get off and be able to use it still without it shutting off on you every time. So we are going to bypass the safety switch. Alright, so the first step we're going to do, flip the seat up, and we're going to get a needle nose and something with a nice end to poke out what we're going to be doing. I'm just have Allen wrench heads with me, so whatever. Alright, so right here is the actual safety pressure switch right there, and here's the connector. Kind of comes, it's right next to your battery terminals. It'll come up, go into the seat. It's fairly simple. So you just kind of disconnect this guy, push down, and it pops right out. Most of these seat sensors are pretty much the same. So you'll see you have 4 pins on the inside there. We are actually going to take that whole little thing out because that's your whole mechanism that stops it. So we'll go on the back side here. You can see this slot right there with that little metal guy. We're going to take the whatever Allen wrench head fits that hole, and we're going to push that, and it's going to push that whole pin mechanism out. And then we're going to use the needle nose and pull it out the rest of the way. And then this is bypassed, so then we can re-plug it back in. You could just leave it, tuck it wherever you want, and it'll be just fine. And you can get off the mower and it will keep running and still be bypassed. So yeah, ready? Find which one we want. Get this guy like so. Go one smaller. Alright, so I just poked it in the back, and you can see this 4-pin thing kind of popped out. I guess I don't need pliers because I got it far enough out. Pull that out. So this right here is what stops your mower and turns it off and controls the safety switch. So discard that. Alright, with that little metal guy discarded, now we have our connection. We are not going to plug it back in, otherwise the sensor will still work. But we will just tuck it off to the side. And there you go. Let's try her out. There we go. Fully off of it and running.